This is a magnetic power bank. It's made for Magsafe, and it comes with 5,000 AMH. So it also comes with the cable. Over here it has a C port to charge it. And then the only thing is very simple. You just charge it and then you put it on your phone. Behind your phone, um, it will be just magnetic. So you put it over there and then it will automatically charge your phone. So it's a great option for when you're out and about, when you're traveling, especially, and sometimes at work. If I can stop to charge my phone, this is a great thing to just have in my personal time, and it will save me from running out of battery anywhere I am. It charges very quick and it's very small, as you can see. So that's what I like, that it's not heavy and it's very portable. And also comes in several colors. I chose this one, but it comes with any other options depending on what you like. So yes.